Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Wyoming Blessed with Tish. And if you haven't done so already, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when a video is uploaded. Today we have a keto-friendly seafood boil. It's more of dirty keto. Sometimes I do dirty keto, sometimes I do strict keto. It just depends on the day. And it's that time that my friend's here, so I do more dirty keto then, because yeah, it's just what I want to do this time, so that's what I'm doing. So we have a little thing of Bloves sauce here, the Smackalicious sauce. It's got onions and ginger in it, no garlic. Hard-boiled egg, cucumber, a little bit of cucumber over here, some radish right here, Dungeness crab, and 4 shrimp. Total carb count is 4.9 grams of carbs and 328 calories. So not much. And then to drink, we have some Diet Coke that I used to put in the Bloves sauce. That I put some cherry syrup in. That I found at, where'd I get it? TJ Maxx. So, yeah, if you're joining me, welcome if you're new. And welcome to the family if you're not. You're already a part of the family, and you know that. So, that's what we're doing today. And it is Trivia Friday. Y'all, I've been craving this. I really just wanted an egg with Bloves sauce on it. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, that's what sounds good to me. Is an egg with Bloves sauce. And y'all, it's honey season here, so I'll show you. So my earrings are elk. It's like it's hunting season, so let's do it. I'm growing my nails out again. The radish is like, I'm going to use it to mimic the potato. I was going to slow roast it and all that, but it's been one of those weeks, y'all. I love radish. So, weight loss update. 31.2 or 0.6, somewhere around there. 31 pounds. We'll just go with that. Okay? 31 pounds down. Doing good. Feeling good. You know, living day by day. These are... Okay, this one's huge. Look at that. They're big. And they've got that Red Lobster seasoning on them that I put. I was craving seafood today, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, oh, what am I gonna do in my video? Maybe I'll do ceviche. And I was like, I'm craving seafood. Which... ceviche is seafood, but it's just different. I don't normally drink caffeinated soda, but I didn't want it to go to waste. Y'all, it is stormy, gloomy. Winter is coming. And in parts of the state, it's already here. Where my dad lives, he said they got about an inch. I just know we got nothing here. And it's 40 degrees here. Feels like 32 it says, but I have a feeling it's going to get a lot colder real fast though. Because the clouds over there are gray. Dark. So that usually means some kind of storm's coming. And I guess rain because we're still pretty warm. But Wyoming is notorious for staying warm. And then it'll drop down to frigid cold. Y'all, I went to the store the other day. Remember, these were on sale for $7.99 a pound. I went to the store the other day. They are now $14.99 a pound. I'm like, I should have bought more. I should have bought way more if I had known it was going to go up that much. I mean, that's crazy. I don't really eat a lot of onion. That's delicious. It's a lot thinner than I would normally make it. Well, not really. I just didn't put a whole lot of the Bloves seasoning in there. Just like I said, this is dirty keto, so it's got the sugars, you know. If it meets your macros, you do it type thing. So I was like, Still get it. I got asked if my family eats keto, and I guess that they do I cook keto. That's what I do. So, like, I made beef stew the other night, but I didn't put potatoes in it. I don't use packaged beef stew seasoning. I didn't put potatoes in it. Very little carrots. With celery, I used turnips in place of the potatoes. They ate it, y'all. No complaints whatsoever. So, you know, there's times that they eat it fully keto style, and then times that they don't. Of course, I watch my portions. So, like, they had 2 bowls. I had, like, half. So I watch my portions. Whereas they don't. And, so, I mean, for the most part, they do. Last night I made chili, and I made it keto style. And they ate it, but they ate theirs on chili dogs. Or Fritos. I ate mine on pork rinds. And it was delicious. So, I mean, that's how we work it here. That's how it works for us. Every family's different, though. Some family, you're not going to have full support like that. It's not even that they support me. That's just the way it goes. I'm cooking, so that's how I'm cooking. You either eat it, or make your own food. Sounds harsh, but my son will eat anything I cook, just about. The only thing he despises is tomatoes. The chili had tomatoes. Chunks of them. He never noticed. But, I mean, like I said, every family is different. And that's just the way it works around this house. I'm not the type of mom that's going to sit there and make different meals for everybody. It's just not happening. So and life's changing around here, so not something I haven't been through before. So, I mean, yeah. So, let's do part of our trivia. This one is an awareness per se. So we know that October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. I want to know how many of you know what November is. So that's our trivia. What awareness is next month? See how many of y'all know. Some of you will. There's no doubt about it. And what color is it? Something that's personal to us. So. Like, come on. I wasn't sure if it was going to snap off funny or... There's one right in there. I feel it. Yep. See. You don't want to eat them bad boys. They'll choke you. It's delicious. I do miss the sausage, rice, and cucumber combo, but... And I got some of that keto rice. Because I do not like the cauliflower rice, y'all. Don't like it. It's just, I can't do it. I had some the other day. I think it was Tuesday. And, it was like Asian inspired or something like that. It was from Albertsons, I think. Me and Kodo were both like, nope. It did not taste good to me. And it didn't taste good to him. And we both love cauliflower. Not like that. And I've had it several ways. And I'm just like, I can't do it. I cannot do it. It just isn't for me. So, yeah. We don't like the cauliflower rice. So I got the konjac or something like that. Some kind of other rice. No, we don't. Of course we do on our shirt. Faithfully. But, I'm kind of scared to try it. I'm nervous on if it'll even taste good. Yes, y'all, I use my teeth. The scissors irritate me. Oh, I was tickling Coda the other morning to wake him up because he does not like to wake up for his morning class. And he was like fighting me. Not like literally, you know, like pushing me. And I caught this pinky with the nail and bent it back. Oh. I was like, ah! Like, oh my god. It hurt. This is the big boy. This is those pink Argentinian shrimp that I love. Look at that big fat shrimp. They're sweet. They're almost like lobster, y'all. Just much cheaper. Those were $13.98 for 2 pounds. And those are $13.15 shrimp. So, yeah. Anyways, y'all. And to thank you for joining me for this delicious meal, keto style. I'm so glad that I have so many of you following my journey, new and old. And I love everybody, and I hope that everybody has had a fantastic week, has a fantastic weekend coming up, and they stay warm and stay blessed. Bye, y'all.